In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can type letters when dialing on your iPhone. If this guide does help you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If it really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. On the iPhone phone app, each number key has letters under it. For example, if a number is 1-800 YouTube, you just match each letter to the number. So Y would be 9, O would be 6, U would be 8, and so on and so on. This would leave you with the number 1-800-968-8823. The letters are always going to match the numbers shown on the keypad, even if they repeat. If you ever get stuck or need to convert a word into numbers, you can use an online tool like convert.com. On their menu, you're able to go to Other and then Phone Keypad Letter Conversion, and it'll tell you exactly which numbers to go ahead and press. But that is really it. It really is pretty simple overall. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. Lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.